Hey legends, it's Pete here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. Just out here in Labrador today. We've replaced a customer supplied kitchen mixer tap, and then we've gone through and identified that she has very low water pressure. Customer did notice it. She's lived in this property for about 8 years. It's been built. So what we've done is we've located a pressure reducing valve and pulled it off the wall, and it's all clogged up. So every 5 years the pressure reducing valve needs to be replaced. So we've got a new one right here. We're going to go through and put that in. Alright, so that's the pressure reducing valve, the boundary. So we've just disconnected it, shut off the water to the building. So we're going to replace that now. So I'll just give you a quick look. So it's all full of gunk. It's a bit hard to see in there, but this is what the new one looks like. So she's clean. You can see all the way through pretty much on both ends. Alright legends, that's another one done. So if you guys have any slow water issues, or the taps aren't working, you've got loud squealing noises coming through your piping from around the water meter area, then just give us a call and we'll come out and fix it for you. See you on the next one.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.